Good fish. Good fish. All right. I don't know if I can do this. All right, that might give me a better look at this guy. All right. Get the lip on him. Hooks out. Nice chunky, probably a little 2-pounder. Let's see if we can get a nice release on her. Pew. All right, we're down to about a 1-pounder. All right, let's see what we got here. We got these guys. Oop. There he goes. That even got a 10 from the Russian judge. Good fish. Good fish. Don't know if I was recording at the start of that, but it's late enough. The big girls have moved in. Yeah. I think I've got a scale here. Oh, look at that, I do. All right, there's 0. All right. 312. All right, now let's get a good release. There she goes. All right. Good job. Boy, he smoked that right on top. It's a pretty jump. Boy, he's sounding deep. All right, don't pull. Yep, there you go. Tire yourself out, please, sir. And there we go. Oh, he got it deep. All right. Probably 2.5. Look at that. All right, nice little release. All right, here we go. All right, well, y'all see what it's about. This is urban fishing at its finest. You got soccer fields, you got basketball courts over there, kids' playground, got a little lake here, got me, I'm all by myself. A lot of fun, a lot of fun. Good God. Okay, she's right in front of us. Oh, okay, nice. Let's see, swing or die. All right, there, I should get some nice stills out of that. All right, I'm gonna go down. Up, 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 up. All right, before you go crazy, let's do that, and I can get some stills out of that. Okay, good. Probably that's better. Okay. We're getting some nice fish today.